Have you heard about the smoking policy on campus?
Yeah, I heard about it. Makes your take on it.
Personally, I think it's a good move. Smoking at campus not only affects the health of smokers, but also non-smokers through second-hand smoke.
I get where you're coming from, but I think it's a bit extreme. I mean, people should have the freedom to make their own choice, right?
I agree with personal freedom, but when it infringes on the health and well-being of others, there should be some regulation in place.
Fair point. But what do designated smoking area? Would that be better compromise?
That could work, but I still desert fully serve. The problem, secondhand smoke can still drift beyond these risks and affects people nearby.
True. I didn't think about that. But do you think banning smoking altogether is best solution?
It's tough call, but considering the negative impact of smoking on health and enforcement, I think enough step in the right direction.
I see your point. But what about those who use smoking as stress reliever? Should there be a support system in place to help them quit rather than just outright banning it?
Absolutely, I think providing reserve for smoking Jepson would be essential. It's not just about enforcement, but also helping people make healthier choice.
That makes sense. So it's not just about resetting behavior but also about supporting individuals in making positive change.
Exactly, it's about finding a balance between personal freedom and collective well-being. Evidently, and it's important for the campus community to come together and discuss these issues openly.
Agreed. So beside the health concerns, do you think there are other reasons why smoking should be banned on campus?
Well, there's also is issue of littering cigarette, but I'll not only unsightly but also harmful to the environment. Harming smoking can help reduce this kind of population on campus.
That's a good point. I never really thought about the environmental aspect of it. But do you think the ban will be effective in the long run? I mean, people might still find ways to smoke discreetly.
That's a valid concern. Enforcement will definitely be a challenging, but I think with proper and culture where smoking is seen as loss.
Yeah, changing attitude and behavior takes time, but I hope the campus administration will also provide alternatives or support for those who are struggling of quit.
Absolutely, quitting smoking, the difficult and having access to reduce like concern or nicotine replacement therapy can make a big difference.
It's reassuring to know that there are people like you who care about this issue and are willing to advocate for positive change.
Thanks, Mike. I believe that by working together, we can create a healthier and more sustainable campus environment for everyone.
I could agree more. Well, it's been a great conversation, Adam. Thanks for sharing your insight.
Anytime, Mike. Let's continue to keep the dialogue going and work towards making our campus a better for all.
So, Adam, what do you think are the next steps we should take to support this new policy?
I think the first step is to raise awareness about the reason behind the policy, holding informational session and open discussion can help explain the negative impacts of smoking and benefit of a smoke-free environment.
That's good idea. Maybe we could also invite health experts to give presentation on the danger smoking and ways to quit.
Absolutely, that could be really helpful. Besides that, we could form support groups for those who want to quit smoking this way.
Agreed. How about involving students in this campaign? We could organize event or competition that promote a healthy lifestyle.
That's a great idea, Mike. Hosting events like fun runs or yoga workshop could be great way to distract for smoking and ensure ensure healthy habits.
Yeah, I like that. And what if also use social media to spread the message? We could create engaging and informative content about the dangers of smoking and the benefit of quitting.
Definitely, social media can be a very effective tool to reach more people. We could share success from stories those who have quit smoking and provide tips and support through this platform.
Exactly. I think with a comprehensive approach like this, we can make a real difference. And of course, we should keep listening to feedback from the campus community and adjust our strategies is needed.
Right. It's important to stay flexible and responsive to input from all these sides. This way, we can ensure the policy is well received and effective in the long term.
Yeah, I agree. I'm glad we can have discussion like this, Adam. Hopefully, we can do something positive together.
Me too, Mike. I believe that with cooperation and commitment, we can create healthier and more enjoyable campus environment for everyone.
Alright, let's start planning our next step. Thanks, Adam, for your idea and support.
Anytime, Mike. Let's do this.